Wait! What are you doing?
This train will take you to Tijuana.
But...
But nothing. The coyote will take you over the border from there.
Buenos dias. Make yourself at home.
Best of luck.
But... You promised. Delgado?
Train.
You can do it! Jump!
Oh, that hurt.
Okay, good.
I could use a little help.
I'll pull you up.
Don't help! Don't help! Don't help! What can I say? A promise is a promise.
Sure thing, Delgado.